Have you ever wondered what motor neuron disease is? It's a term that might have floated around in conversations, in the news, or during a biology lecture. Well, today we're going to unravel this mystery and delve into the world of motor neuron disease, its symptoms, and treatment options. Motor neuron disease, or MND, is a condition that affects the nervous system. It's a group of related diseases affecting the motor neurons in the brain and spinal cord. These motor neurons are like your body's command center, sending messages from your brain to your muscles. When someone has MND, these motor neurons start to break down and die, which leads to muscle weakness and wasting. Now imagine trying to use a remote control with missing buttons. You can't change the channel, increase the volume, or even turn off the TV. That's what happens with MND. The brain can't send the right signals to the muscles, making it hard for people with this disease to move, speak, swallow, and eventually breathe. So, how would you know if someone has MND? The symptoms can vary greatly from person to person, but some common signs include muscle cramps and twitching, weakness in the limbs, difficulty with speech and swallowing, and changes in mood and behavior. It's important to remember that these symptoms don't necessarily mean someone has MND. They could be signs of other conditions too. If you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis. Now you might be wondering, can MND be treated? The answer is nuanced. At present, there isn't a cure for MND, but there are treatments available that can help manage the symptoms and improve the quality of life. These may include physical therapy, speech therapy, and medications to control symptoms like muscle stiffness and excessive salivation. There's also a drug called Riluzole that can slightly slow the progression of the disease. However, it's not a cure and doesn't work for everyone. Research is ongoing and scientists are working tirelessly to find more effective treatments and hopefully a cure. So, to summarize, motor neuron disease is a serious condition that affects the motor neurons in the brain and spinal cord, leading to muscle weakness and wasting. Symptoms can vary greatly, but can include muscle cramps and twitching, weakness in the limbs, and difficulty with speech and swallowing. While there isn't a cure yet, treatments are available to manage symptoms and improve quality of life. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding diseases like MND is the first step towards empathy, acceptance, and ultimately finding a cure. So keep asking questions, keep learning, and keep spreading awareness about conditions like motor neuron disease.